मैं सुभाष कुमार सिंह हूँ। मैंने IIT दिल्ली से एमटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस कर रखी है। मैं यहाँ पे मैथमेटिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस बताने जा रहा हूँ कि कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए बेसिकली क्या क्या मैथमेटिक्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जिसके थ्रू हम कंप्यूटर साइंस के बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक को बना सकते हैं। The first basic thing of mathematics in computer science is set theory. Set theory. Set is what? Set is collection of different objects. For example, set of country equal to India, China, Pakistan. So there are many operations on the set. Basic operations are operation on set are first union. So what is union? A union B equal to X, where X is element of A or X is element of B, where A and B both are set. For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, second operation is intersection. A intersection B equal to X, where X is element of A and X is element of B. So in this example, A intersection B equal to 2 and 4. So this is most basic operation. Other operations are A minus B equal to X, where X is element of A and X is not element of B. So here it is 1 and 3. This symmetric difference, A symmetric difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A, or equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus 2, 4 equal to 1, 3, 6, 8 and 10, or A minus B is 1, 3 union B minus A is B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So when 2, 4 is present here, so only 6, 8 and 10. So it is again 1 3 6 8. So these are basic operation on set. Further, product of set. Product of set A cross B equal to xy, where x is element of A and y is element of B. So if A equal to 1 2 3 and B equal to A and B, then A cross B equal to 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. So now we are going above the set theory. सेट के बाद अब हम आगे आ रहे हैं रिलेशन की तरफ. रिलेशन क्या है? रिलेशन R इज सबसेट ऑफ A क्रॉस B. रिलेशन सबसेट है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेट का. सो इसलिए इफ वी से R इक्वल टू 1A and 2B, then this is valid relation for A123 and BAB. So now there are various types of relation. Types of relation, we should start. Types of relation. Relation R is subset of A cross A. For example, let A equal to 1 2 3. So the first types is reflexive relation. So for reflexive relation R, there must be 1 1 2 2 3 3 and any other element, for example 1 2. For any reflexive relation R, or identity set must be subset of R, or R identity set means x for all x must be element of R. Then that set is called reflexive relation. For example, if 1 1 2 2 and 1 2, this is not a reflexive relation because 3 3 is not present. But 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 is reflexive relation. 1 1 2 2 3 3 2 3 is reflexive relation. Any element other than this or only this should be member of reflexive relation. Means for all element x, x must be element of R. Second is symmetric relation. If x is related to y, or xy is element of R, then yx also must be element of R. For example, 1 1, 2 1 and 1 2 is reflexive relation, is symmetric relation, but 1 1, 2 1 and 1 3 is not symmetric. Is not symmetric. For making symmetric, we have to add 1 1, 2 1, 1 2, and then if 1 3 is there, then we have to add 3 1 also. So symmetric means if AB is there, BA should also be there. Otherwise that is not symmetric. Means if XY is element of R, then YX is also element of R. Here 1 2 is there, here 2 1 is there, and 1 2 is also there. 1 1 is there and 1 1 is also there. But here 2 1 is there, but 1 2 is not there. That's why this is not symmetric. Now transitive. If x is related to y and y is related to z, then x must be related to z. Or if xy is element of R and yz is element of R, then xz must be element of R. So if a relation R is 1 1, 2 1, 1 3, 2 2, 2 3, this is not transitive. But if we add 1 1, 2 1, 1 3, 2 2, 2 3, and if we add element 1 1 is there and 2 3, if we add this element, then this is transitive. So these are basic types of binary relation. There are many more. For example, antisymmetric. If x is related to y and y is related to x, then x should be equal to y. Or if xy is element of R and yx is element of R, then x equal to y. So antisymmetric is just opposite of symmetric. It's antisymmetric, symmetric का just उल्टा है, except one element. If x-axis x and y both are same. For example, 1 1, 2 2 and 2 3. This is antisymmetric. But if we add 1 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 2 and any 1 3, this is not antisymmetric. This is not antisymmetric. Not even antisymmetric, not even symmetric. If we remove this element, then this is symmetric but not antisymmetric. So this is these are basic types of relation. relation is important. Relation or set theory is important in computer science, because using this we can structure our database or data things, or we can convert real life problem into mathematics and solve this. ये सारी चीज़ें इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है कंप्यूटर साइंस में, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर साइंस का बेसिक जो एम है वो ये है कि वो रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे, और रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम को हम तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जब हम उसे मैथमेटिक्स में पहले चेंज करें, और फिर मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम के लिए हमारे पास पहले से भी कुछ स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन है, उनको स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज करें और तब जाके हम उसे सॉल्व कर सकें. इसलिए कंप्यूटर साइंस का नाम भी कंप्यूटर साइंस है. कंप्यूटर साइंस मीन्स साइंस which solve problem using computation. Computation is calculation in algorithmic way. For any computation, it is essential that it have some finite step. Hence, computation का अर्थ ये हुआ कि हम प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व करें ही, और साथ ही साथ एक निश्चित समय के अंदर, तभी यही कंप्यूटर साइंस का बेसिक है. और इसके बाद हम डिस्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर में और सेट थ्योरी, रिलेशन, इसके बाद फंक्शन, ग्रुप और ग्राफ थ्योरी, ये सब मैथमेटिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस के पार्ट हैं, और मैं इन्हीं के बारे में पढ़ाऊँगा. ठीक है, थैंक यू.